The following video is a video I made for the VIP group. Now, I'm sharing this with you so you can understand what we do in the VIP group. And there's a lot of thought process that goes into these videos, a lot of thought process that goes into the market, and I'm constantly updating the VIP group when those updates need to be made. Now, I'm going to share with you the following video, and hopefully this helps you make money. Once again, my main objective is to make you money so that you join the group instead of me saying join the group so I can show you to make money. Without further ado, let's get started. I want to welcome all the newcomers to the group. Man, we are just killing it. We are absolutely killing it. Now, we had a significant drop. You may be asking, why am I not posting charts right now? We're having a bounce. You know, this is a really nice bounce. The first recording I did, I had my mic muted. This one, my mic is working. It's going to be a much faster video too. Why are we not doing this? Well, as I mentioned in my earlier live stream, one, we could be an absolute genius because we caught the bottom and now it's going up. As long as it goes up, we're golden. We look super smart. However, if it comes down, well, now we caught a falling knife and we get lower and lower and then we get stopped out or liquidated. I don't like catching falling knives. Could you make more money doing this? Definitely if it goes up. Right now, due to the market and Bitcoin, we're gonna look at Bitcoin in just a moment. It's very iffy at the moment. And right now, these coins are actually mimicking Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin drops, these coins are dropping. So this looks like it's great. Why am I not posting charts? Well, this is actually on the replay. This is what the chart looks like. It came up to resistance and now it's coming down. What we want to do is we want to enter once it breaks this newly created high, the way I'm always teaching. Set your alerts, and I recommend doing this on all the charts that you're in or all the charts you're looking at. Set an alert above the area of the pivot. That way, when your alert goes off, you can look at it, see if it's a great entry, then you can enter the coin. This is what I'm doing for a lot of these charts. Look at this. Perfect. Here we would set an alert. And this would be, you know, one of our indicators to where we'll look at it a little bit closer to see if we're going to enter the coin. I don't want you guys getting stopped out. My main objective of this group, make you as much money as possible and also save you money from entering so many groups are posting longs right now. So many groups. If it goes up, man, they look like geniuses. They're getting all these gains. However, they don't care about their members, in my opinion, because we could come down and then further down and further down. We need to break this level. Now let's look at Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, I kind of just drew these right now on the muted audio in the video. I was thinking on the 4-hour time frame, we'd have a candle close here and a wick right here. And we got it within dollars. You know, this was within dollars. Now, the very next candle is what I'm really looking at. Next 4-hour candle, and you can see it's already coming down. So we have about an hour left to go before this candle closes. If the candle closes right here, we're still not entering. We have to wait at least 3 to 5 candle closes on the 4-hour time frame to see if it's going to be a valid retest, a valid pivot, valid swing, whatever you want to call it. I call it making money. When we see this go and then we have patience and we see it coming up, now we can potentially enter. Of course, it'll come up and then down and up. But if we close underneath this trend line, this is screaming to me that we're going to go lower. And more than likely on a 4-hour candle, we'll have it to where it's going and it's going to fake everybody out just to sell off again, come all the way down, possibly to the previously highs of our trend line from the previous cycle, come down to wicket, and then now possibly start going up. Now, the other objective is maybe possibly it comes up. If it comes up, it needs to break this level, we wait. Needs to break this level, we wait. Once it breaks this level, then of course, so all this is gaining strength. So here, if you wanted to, you could enter, but it can also come back down. So this is my thought process. Coming up here, breaking this level, coming up here to this zone before it comes down to go up. This is the ideal spot because now it's showing really nice momentum. Let's go to another chart really quick. We're almost done with this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for being here. I welcome all the newcomers to the group. Again, my main objective is to save you money and make you money. I'm not going to be posting charts that I think are very high risk. And if I do post a chart that's high risk, I'll put it on the chart. This is a high risk trade. And depending on your personal, risk tolerance, risk management, it means if you're going to enter the trade or not. So right now we're not entering, we're just waiting. We're waiting to see what happens. And this is all going to determine in about 12 to 16 hours. I do thank you guys so much. So happy you're in the group. We're going to absolutely kill it. And of course, we wait for the trades to come to us. We set alerts and we just wait. And that way, when the alerts go off, this is when we can make the most amount of profits versus possibly entering and then getting stopped out. I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.